This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make lollipop candy. First, gather your essential ingredients: 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of light corn syrup, and 1/4 cup of water. You'll also need your favorite flavoring and food coloring. Ensure you have a candy thermometer, lollipop sticks, and a silicone mold or parchment paper ready for pouring. This preparation ensures a smooth candy-making process. Now, combine the sugar, corn syrup, and water in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Stir this mixture over medium-high heat until all the sugar completely dissolves. Once dissolved, stop stirring and insert your candy thermometer. Continue cooking the syrup without stirring until it reaches exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. This precise temperature is crucial for perfect lollipops. Once your syrup hits 300 degrees Fahrenheit, immediately remove it from the heat. Carefully stir in 1 teaspoon of your chosen flavoring, like cherry or grape, and a few drops of food coloring for a vibrant look. Work quickly, as the candy cools fast. Pour the hot mixture into your prepared silicone molds or onto parchment paper, inserting a lollipop stick into each one. Let your lollipops cool completely for at least 20 minutes, or until they are firm and easy to handle. Once cooled, carefully remove them from the molds or parchment paper. To keep them from getting sticky, wrap each lollipop individually in cellophane. For more great tips and deals, including a fantastic Oala water bottle to keep you hydrated, check out the links in the description below. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.